right there.
I've come at a bad time.
No! It's just a wedding.
A wedding?
I often think about you, Professor. I wonder how you are.
I bought a kite.
You bought a kite?
Yes, soon after you left, I bought a kite and I took it to the park. I'd never had a kite before. You were right to think I was old.
No, I
was
didn't
old.
mean-
You were right. But since we meet, everything is different. People noticed. My students even, they say, Professor Bear, you were smiling today. Miss March.
Joe.
Joe. We are not at all alike. We have our differences. May I be blunt?
Be blunt by all means.
I think perhaps it looks like rain.
The sky gets bluer by the hour.
The water falls in little drops.
That's why it's called a sun shower.
Ah, and now it stops.
You're about to be blunt.
If I say rain, then you say sun. If I say yes, then you say no. It seems before we start, we're done. We even argue at hello. If I say, let me share this small umbrella.
I'd say, who cares if I get wet?
We are as different as the morning and the night.
No. We're as different as the winter and the spring.
We always seem to fight.
We disagree on everything.
And yet, you make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart I feel a pain when you're not there? Though we are not at all alike, you make me feel alive. If we had that in common, that one small thing in common, love would be like a small umbrella in the rain.
Josephine!
Christopher Columbus!
The guests will be riding soon. I want the family gathered in the parlor, anxious to argue.
This is Professor Bear. Professor Bear, this is my Aunt March.
Please call me Fritz.
Fritz? Is that your name?
Yes, I didn't tell you.
No.
Well, bring in Fritz.
You were saying, Professor?
When people discover passion, they've come upon something rare. This fervor they've had in common will shelter them anywhere. Though the rest may be rough, with such passion to share, I think we have more than enough to make a marriage. If we dare. No, yes. I do not mean today, or tomorrow even, or in a year maybe, 2 years. I can wait. I'm a patient man.
I won't be sweet, won't be demure.
This I prefer, this I adore.
I'll speak my mind, you can be sure.
I'd be enchanted to the core.
If I say, let me share your small umbrella.
I say, who cares if we get wet?
We'll be as different as a husband and a wife.
We'll be as different as a woman and a man.
We'll fight our way through life.
We'll disagree the best we can. And yet, you make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart I feel the pain when you're not there? Though we are not at all alike, you make me feel alive.
Yes, we have that
that one small thing in common. Our love is like a small umbrella in the rain. I have news for you. I showed your novel to Henry Dashwood.
And what?
It was wrong of me. A horrid man, Dashwood, blunt to a fault.
What did he say?
Well, it's a bit long. He missed the part about the blood and guts. He liked the part about the four sisters, particularly the outspoken one. He wants to publish it.
He said that?
If it's all right by you.
No, we need you inside. Marmee! I'd like you to meet a good friend of mine. Professor Fritz Baer. We're thinking of starting a school together.
A school?
Not today or next week, but someday. Welcome, Professor. Come and meet our family. Sometimes when you dream, your dreams come true in extraordinary ways. Suddenly a day can be so amazing, and sometimes when you yearn, you burn the air, and then you are not the same. And though